Okay, let us proceed further with the nomenclature. Now, the question which I have taken from NCERT is, what is the IUPAC name of allyl chloride? Now students, the first thing that you should know is how to make allyl chloride. Obviously we've done it, but still students have a right to forget. So let us revise. Allyl carbon must be having chlorine. That is, the chlorine atom must be attached on an allyl carbon. So what we should know is, what's allyl carbon? Which we did earlier. Carbon adjacent to double bond. Carbon adjacent to double bonded carbon is allyl carbon. That means when these are double bonded carbon, then any carbon adjacent to it like this will be allyl. So the structure of allyl chloride will be 1, 2, 3, a double bond over here, a single bond, and the halogen must be attached on the allyl carbon. This is allyl chloride. 2 hydrogens here, 1 here, 2 here. If you see carefully, this is a bifunctional compound. This is a bifunctional compound. Why bifunctional? Because it has got 2 functional groups. One of the functional group is ene and the other group is chloro. So nomenclature of bifunctional compound will be bit obviously different than the nomenclature of the monofunctional compounds. Reason, there are 2 functional groups, so obviously you should know which functional group will get the lower number, for which you should know the priority order. I hope you remember the priority order. It is given in our notes on page number 17, that is B17. But still I am just repeating the priority order. It goes like this: amine salts, carboxylic acids, sulfonic acids, acid anhydrides, esters, acid chlorides, acid amides, nitriles, isonitriles, aldehydes, ketones, alcohol, phenol, amine, ether, alkene, alkyne, halo, nitro, nitroso, alkyl, aryl. This is the priority order. So in the priority order, if you listen carefully, ene came before halo. So while numbering the carbon chain, the ene should get the lower number. So the numbering will be 1, 2, 3. And hence in IUPAC name, position 1 will go to ene while 3 will go to chloro. The long chain contains 3 carbons. So for 3 carbons, the word root is prop. The carbon chain is having a double bond. For double bond, we are writing in. Since in is located on first position, I am putting here 1. And I am ending the name with the suffix E. Since the general name is halo, alkene, suffix is E. Now, on third carbon there is a chlorine, so the name becomes 3-chloro prop 1-ene. So this is the IUPAC name of allyl chloride. Now, at present in the question, they have not asked about allyl alcohols. But I am just extending the topic. I am moving to allyl alcohol. Reason, the numbering will be exactly opposite. See, I want to make a allyl alcohol. This is something extra we are doing, not pertaining to the question, but very important. Now see, I'm making allyl alcohol. So 1, 2, these are the double bonded carbons. The double bonded carbons are called the vinyl carbons. Carbon adjacent to the double bond is allyl, and allyl carbon is having a dash OH. Since it's alcohol, I'm just completing the valency by adding required number of hydrogens. So this is allyl alcohol. Now, in the order of priority which I just mentioned, ene comes after alcohol. That is, the alcohol group is more prior than in, whereas the in is more prior than halo. Hence, while numbering the chain, position 1 goes to OH, where here position 3 goes to Cl. So, 1, 2, 3. The total number of carbons are 3. So, the parent alkane is prop. Since there is a double bond on second, I am writing prop 2 in, and since there is a OH, I am using the suffix -ol. So the IUPAC name of allyl alcohol is prop-2-ene-1-ol, whereas here it is 3-chloroprop-1-ene. The basic difference was when you had two functional groups, halo and chloro, not halo and chloro, when you have two functional groups, that is halo and ene, then lower position goes to ene. But when you have dash OH and ene, then lower position goes to dash OH. So that's in accordance with the priority order. I hope you have learned the priority order. If anyone still doesn't remember the priority order, the first thing I'll do before attending the lectures is better start learning and reading. Learn the priority order of functional groups. Without learning the priority order of functional groups, no point in even thinking of IUPAC. So, learn your priority order from B17. Learn the order of orthopara directing groups also from 953. Okay? JE book, that is page 953. Anyways, bye-bye. Take care. Stay blessed. Love and blessings to all you students over there always.